Alrighty, how to set up live streaming on your GoPro, but not to your personal page, but to a business page. So go into your GoPro app, click Control Camera or GoPro. Scroll across to Live, click Live Setup. Now, if you're just going to stream to your standard page, you'd be clicking on the Facebook button here, but you go down to RTMP. Now, in this section here, I'll delete that like it's not there. It's going to ask you to connect to a network. Now, if you're out and about away from a network, which in my case, this is going to be used for racing purposes, you set up your mobile hotspot on your phone and you connect to that. So that's the setting at the top there in connect to a network. So the next thing you need is the RTMP settings. Go into your Facebook page, the page that you want to stream to, click the plus, click on post. It'll do a create post pop-up. You need to click the three little buttons on the side, click live video. The page in the background will load to the page where it has all the URL settings. Scroll down to use live stream key. Now, the server URL doesn't change, that stays the same. So generally what I do is I do a copy of that and I post it into a note-keeping app. So that's always going to be the same. But if you go back to the page here, under the stream key, it does specify that that is something that changes. So under the stream key, it says stream keys are valid for 7 days. Once you start to preview the broadcast, you have 5 hours to go live. So this stream key will be valid for 7 days, or if you start using it, it's then valid only for 5 hours. So every time you do this, you can leave the URL. That's why I copied and pasted that onto my note-keeping app. And then all I do now is I copy the stream key. I go back here, paste it. Now, this whole bit included the URL and the stream key is what you require for the GoPro app. So now what you do is you copy, go back to your GoPro app, and here is your RTMP URL. Paste that there. The other thing that I do specify, especially if you're moving in and out of different towers for mobile networks, it'll always try and switch up to the fastest network, or what it assumes will be the fastest network. So in Perth, that is the 5G network. It's patchy. Switching from 5G to 4G will give you dramas with your stream. You will have drops in quality as you go between towers. Now, I'm going to assume that's going to be the case even connecting from different 4G towers, but using 5G and 4G and switching between the two, I'm going to assume causes more dramas than just staying on one 4G network. So if you go into your phone settings and remove the 5G setting, and that I think is going to give you your best stream. So once you've done that, click continue. It's going to resolve all the URL settings now. So this takes a little bit of time. But once that go live button comes up, you click it and you're pretty much online straight away. Go live, your health stream comes up, everything's recording mint. Thanks.